UptoSix Phonics.
Tap on the sound that
Cat.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Cap.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Cap.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Squid.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Tiger.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Bug.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Web.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Scarf.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Loaf.
ends with.
Try again.
You can do it! Tap on the sound that
Hoop.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Van.
ends with. Tap on the sound that
Glass.
ends with.